Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and check all Discord messages. So I'm on my Android. I will show you how to do it on desktop as well. So here we are in the messages section on Discord app. You can see I have these DMs. So the way to check and find messages will be able to basically search for the person you had the message with. So for me, I'm going to search for Mortis, which that I had the messages with, which is right there. I'm going to tap on his name here, and as you can see, our DM direct messages will come up and I can go all the way back to the start. This is all the way back to 2023 as well. You can see our entire messages here by just searching for his name. Lastly, if you wanted to, you can tap on this filter icon. You can see from a specific person has a specific data sent on a specific date, and then I can tap into other people. I can search for have recent messages, or you can see here is a full DM. Now if you are on desktop, you can see here on the Discord desktop app, you can see I have a DM here that I have clicked into. I can hit X to close out of these DMs, and then if I wanted to, I could go up here and go to find or start a conversation in the search bar, and then what I would do is I would just type in the name of the person. So there is that person, and now the direct message box opens and I can see my entire conversation with that person as long as I didn't delete individual messages within the conversation. So if I went here and click on more and then want to delete message, that will obviously be deleted and removed after a certain amount of time, but this will find the thread where you can go and start back that message and view older ones if need be. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.